This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making inputs that AI can use immediately. Upload a concise, keyword-rich resume and a short portfolio summary so the model can parse achievements. Once done, standardize job titles and quantify results to improve matching signals. Make sure to connect accounts, LinkedIn, GitHub, or a portfolio link so multi-source scraping works. You'll also prepare a few tailored role descriptions and a target list of companies. These are the primary prompts you'll feed the AI to begin searching. You now feed the AI your standardized inputs and explicit constraints: industry, seniority level, salary band, and remote preferences. The AI will scrape listings, rank them by skill overlap and cultural fit, and highlight quick-apply matches. Once it returns options, refine with follow-up prompts to filter by commute, visa needs, or deadlines. Make sure to use it to produce tailored resumes and cover letters for top matches. This step increases response rates and saves hours compared to manual edit. You finish by turning matches into applications and managing follow-up. Use automations sparingly to submit where compliant and log every submission in a single tracker with dates and contacts. Once interviews are scheduled, prompt the AI for role-specific prep, mock answers, and closing questions. If you see no traction, troubleshoot. Expand keywords, relax seniority filters, or request a resume rewrite focused on transferable skills. That one change often unlocks new matches and improves interview invites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.